Hey everyone, Shah here again with another repair video. In this, I've got this MacBook Air. It's not coming on. The customer said that it was working and now it's all of a sudden it won't do nothing at all. So we will see what's going on with that, okay? So let's start with removing the back cover. We just have to make sure we align the screws because some are longer, look at this, and some are short. So we just have to make sure that you're using the right screw on the right spot. We can just leave it here so you guys can see. I don't know, can you see it now? Let's see. Yep, there you go. I think you can see it now. One, two, three, four, okay, right here. Okay, so if you guys can see this, yep, there you go. It's better now. So what we're gonna do, we will remove the back. The first step I'm doing is unplugging the battery. See, there's a gap right here. I have to make sure that it is that's what it actually looks like here. Okay, so first thing is just take a good look and see if there is any missing screws out there or any water damage, any moisture in it or anything like that. Yeah. Okay, to me everything looks okay here. Just take a look inside. Just have to be very careful here and see what's going on. Okay, so the first step, what I'm gonna do is remove this right here, leave it here. Okay. Unplug this. There you go. You see I got these two unplugged, and now we're gonna plug it back. Okay. All right, let's see. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do is we'll see if that thing turns on. We'll make sure that if it's doing anything. Yep. As you can see, it's not turning on. It's not doing nothing at all. And battery looks okay to me. I think there's nothing wrong with the battery. But in order to check if that is a battery issue or no, I might have to order a new battery. And okay. Okay, there's another connector cable there. You can actually remove that and see if that might be the issue there. Okay. All right. It's actually completely dead. It won't do nothing at all. Okay, since I do not have a battery here, so what I'm gonna do, I will put the cover back, and I will have to arrange the battery for this first. Yeah, it may be just a simple battery issue, or it could be something else, but we have to figure that out. Right now it's not doing nothing, or could be sometimes we have seen that it could be the problem with the motherboard as well. But we'll find out, and once I have the battery, what I will do, I will make another video, and maybe just to show you that if this ever actually turn on. It could be just a basic battery issue, or could be more than that. Because the customer said that it was working, and then all of a sudden it just stopped working. And I did ask, was it dying fast, and she said no. So I'm only thinking it might be either the battery or what is actually the issue. So alright guys, until then, take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.